We go. A very good evening to all of you present over here. You are welcome to the final day, round number 2 of the discussion that is organized by University of Lucknow Delegacy. For this round, we have the winner of Chancellor's Gold Medal, Mr. Durgesh Kumar Tripathi ji, as a moderator for this session, alongside the winner of Dr. Chakravarti's Gold Medal, Mr. Vibhu Banerjee sir, who would be also the moderator for this session. The topic of discussion for this round is, why do people actually troll others on social media, and how can we deal with it? So first of all, welcome Durgesh sir and Vibhu sir and all the participants over here. And with your permission, we would like to start this session, if you say so.
थैंक यू सो मच देवांश जी, बिल्कुल आप शुरू किया जाए.
Okay, so I guess we have a lot of participants over here. Shivam ji, Saurabh ji and Shreya ji are over here. So whoever wants to speak first, we can start with the session. Shivam ji, would you like to speak first? Whosoever wants to speak first can speak. Who's going to be the first one? Anybody?
Can I?
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah. So regarding this topic, why people troll on social media. So in my point of view, trolling is something like when the trollers are mainly the person who are using troll as the medium of entertainment, because we can see that the entertainment for us can be harm for others also. So the trollers' main motive is to either get free from their boredom, or they are unhappy with their lives, so they can search over the popular or the influence people and see how their life, how they spend their lives and get jealous. And due to their instinct that they got due to jealousy, they wrote the trolling. So in my way, the main motive behind the trolling anybody is our own insecurity, our own lack of confidence on ourselves, that we can't get the thing or get the position that the celebrity or the famous person has got it. So and we can deal. And it is not like people troll only famous people. They also troll the body shaming of any normal people. If a girl seems fat or have dark complexion, they will troll them also. For them, it looks like a game for them.
Agree to that. All right, that was really wonderful of you, Kirti Vajpayee ji. You took the point very well. Who's going to be the next speaker now? Okay, anybody ready can start speaking, please.
Rishabh Mishra, I think.
Yeah, Saurabh ji was the participant of this round. Saurabh ji, can you hear us?
देवांश, मुझे लग रहा है ऋषभ जी बोलना चाह रहे हैं.
जी जरूर. ऋषभ जी, you may please start. Yeah.
Okay. मेरे हिसाब से जो सबसे पहली पॉइंट ये है कि लोग आखिर, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि लोग क्यों ट्रोल करते हैं. सबसे पहले जो रीजन तो ये है, जो क्वेश्चन ये है, वो सबसे पहला एक रीजन जो मुझे लगता है ये है कि लोगों को प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है ट्रोल करने का, इसलिए लोग ट्रोल करते हैं. अगर हम इन जनरल देखा जाए तो मैं हूँ या कोई भी इंसान है, अगर आज से 10 साल या 15 साल पहले की बात देखी जाए तो तब लोगों के पास इतना प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था कि लोग अपनी बातें लोगों तक पहुंचा सके, जो प्लेटफॉर्म लोगों को आज सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू मिल रहा है. और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों को ये भी लगी वो और सोशल मीडिया का जो मिसयूज करके लोग कहीं ना कहीं ट्रोल को इसलिए भी बढ़ावा देते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि जिस इंसान को वो ट्रोल कर रहे हैं वो पर्सनली आके उनका कुछ नहीं करने वाला है, क्योंकि वो लोग जो ट्रोल कर रहे हैं वो मासेस में है. तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा रीजन है कि जो लोग हैं वो ट्रोल क्यों करते हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास क्योंकि उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है जिस प्लेटफॉर्म का वो मिसयूज करते हैं, जो प्लेटफॉर्म पहले अवेलेबल नहीं था. आज से मैं अगर आप किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में बात करें, फेसबुक की अभी रिसेंटली में सबसे पुराना प्लेटफॉर्म है जो 2004 से आया है। बाकी अगर आप कोई प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में बात करें, चाहे ट्विटर हो चाहे इंस्टाग्राम हो, ये सारे प्लेटफॉर्म कोई बहुत ज्यादा पुराने नहीं है। 10 से 15 साल की स्कैम सबकी एज है। तो अगर इनसे पहले के जनरेशन के बारे में आप बात करें तो तब ट्रोलिंग इतनी ज्यादा नहीं थी, क्योंकि सीधी सी बात है तब लोगों के पास प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था। आज अगर लोगों के पास प्लेटफॉर्म आया है तो उसका ये मिसयूज है सीधे तरीके से, जो कि लोग कर रहे हैं ट्रोलिंग में, और बस यही पॉइंट है।
Wonderful, wonderful. That was really wonderful of you, Rishabh ji. And I would like to hear who's going to be the next speaker who wants to add up your point over here. Who's going to be the next one? Anybody interested?
सौरभ जी शायद आना चाह रहे थे। सौरभ जी आपको आवाज आ रही है?
I guess उनकी तरफ से थोड़ी सी नेटवर्क इश्यूज वहाँ पे है। So I would request शाश्वत जी और प्रवर्तिका जी, if you want to add up a point, Ashish ji or Shivam ji or Manasvi ma'am, if you want a point, if you want to add a point over here.
I want to add a point in Rishabh point of view. The most of the trollers which came on social media are mostly, if we see the survey, are mostly from the fake IDs. They are not. If you write a view or you use your right to speech, so you have. If you have guts, you troll a person with your own name. But most of the trollers, for their sake of jealousy or unhappiness in their life, they use other people's names and troll the people. And for the 10 to 15 minutes, they are already happy that we finally wrote something negative about somebody. But the trollers do not think that the point of view, because words are more harsh than any arrow. So if you write one word also, it can destroy somebody's self-esteem or self-confidence, which he or she has built with so much effort.
Agree.
Excuse me. I would like to ask, is this question for me? Because I use the word troll. So is there any way a question regarding this?
Okay. So Kirti ji, Manasvi ma'am is asking, are you addressing Manasvi ma'am for this troll word?
Sorry, I can't hear. Sorry.
Of course.
Yeah, Manasvi ma'am is saying if you want to address her regarding the troll thing that she said earlier, was it regarding that, or are you saying it as an opinion?
No. It's my my own point of view, because I have nothing to do with others' point of view. It is my own point of view that many of because I have seen
round is question round, isn't it?
Yeah.
So my question to everyone is, whosoever is in the favor of this particular statement that yes, celebrities should come up on the platform of politics, I would like to question, give me 5 reasons why do you
Manasvi,
think...
Devansh, आप please बता दें.
Ma'am, actually, the topic has been changed for the round number 2, and it is regarding why do people actually troll somebody on social media and how can we deal with it. That is regarding this session.
आप थोड़ा सा मनस्वी, आप थोड़ा सा देर से जुड़ी थी, तो शायद आप इस बार हमारा टॉपिक नहीं सुन पाई थी। तो जी, और मैं आप सभी से ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, इंक्लूडिंग शिव, ऋषभ हो गए, सौरभ जी हैं हमारे साथ, आप जितने लोग हैं, आशीष जी, शाश्वत जी, आप जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हैं, आप सभी लोग लखनऊ विश्वविद्यालय के वो छात्र हैं जिन्होंने अपनी प्रतिभा कई बार प्रदर्शित की है। हम सभी, मैं आप में से कई लोगों को कई बार सुन चुका हूँ। तो ये मेरा आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपनी बातों को हमारे समक्ष रखें। हो सकता है हम भी बहुत कुछ आपसे सीख पाए, आपके साथ के जितने फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बात कर पाए, वो कुछ आपसे नया सीख पाए। तो आप कोशिश करें, आप जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो सके इंगेज करें।
Okay. So in that very way, as Kirti Vajpayee ji said that कई बार ऐसा होता है कि किसी पर्सन की बॉडी को लेके या उसकी डिफरेंट एबिलिटीज को लेकर के हम आमतौर पे ट्रोल्स क्रिएट करते हैं और उनको सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल कर देते हैं. So in case a trolls happen to me, अगर ऐसा होता है कि because of something that I can't do and I am being trolled on social media, what can be the efficient ways to deal with it? आप सभी के अनुसार what can be the efficient ways to deal with it? Yeah, sure.
So, okay. So, recently one of my knowns were being harassed and trolled on social media. But as I was thinking about the situation myself, I think it should be taken in a very positive manner. The trolls should be entertained in a very positive way, because one, they give you publicity, could be bad or good, but it give you publicity. Second, it definitely proves that the person who is trying to do this for you, who is putting so much efforts and, you know, making trolls and memes on you, is actually somewhere, you know, down the line, they are either really like towards liking you, or they really want to be someone like you. So I think it should be entertained in a very positive manner rather than crying. I mean, obviously, if it goes to an extent where the trolls become sexual in the content, then that is wrong, definitely. And they could be dealt with utter seriousness when, like, you can actually file a case against them and Cyber Cell could look into the matter and everything. But apart from that, I think if it's a normal troll, we should take it lightly in a positive way, thinking of that this is going to give us publicity, and also it's gonna make us laugh and other people also laugh. So it should be dealt with positivity.
I would like to add some point over it. First of all, I would create more reference to the statement of Miss Mansi Asthana. She said that it has to be taken in a positive way, but sometimes there are people who aren't in that state to take at everything, every troll in a positive way. And rather than that, some trolls are more offensive than making joke or body shaming. So taking every troll as a positive way is not very advisable thing. And as the Rishabh said that it's kind of the trolling started from the internet, but it's not all true. When there was no internet, there was still a trolling, but in the different form. It was bullying. It was bullying in the school, everywhere. So rather than saying that it has just popped up from a society, no, it was always there. Just as that changes form. Now it is more kind of more offensive because people think they can't be caught, they can't be they can't be punished, so they do.
Okay, so questioning back to your question, the question that you asking or pointed it out, is it possible, Shiv, to go to each and every person behind the accounts to, you know, tell them that, hey, you did not do this right with me and I'm gonna sue you, or I'm gonna you're gonna face the karma or something? Is it possible for
you saying
no
that?
But you're saying yes, exactly, but what this is what I'm asking you. I'm not saying that you said it. So I'm asking you, is it possible to go to each individual who is trying to troll you through the internet, like through internet and through social media platforms? Is it possible for you to go to each person and tell them that, hey, you didn't do right with me, I'm going to sue you, I'm going to file a complaint against you? Is it possible? Do you think it's possible?
No, it's not possible. I didn't say that you deal with the...
And that's why, if from the first place we take it in a positive way, then it discourages the trollers.
You took me wrong. I didn't say that you had your statement is completely wrong. I said that there are some sects of people who can't take it in a positive way. So I'm talking about those people, not for everyone.
I don't disagree with you. It's hard for everyone.
I don't disagree with you.
I agree with you as well. But the thing here is
I guess somebody wants to add up a point. Yeah.
मैं ये मानसवी जी और ऋषभ जी के काउंटर करना चाहूंगा बात को। जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा कि हाँ, ये ट्रोल करना बहुत अच्छी बात है या हैप्पीनेस है, मगर ऐसा बहुत सा जो समाज का तबका है, या अभी हम एक न्यूज सुनने होंगे, आईआईटी का एक स्टूडेंट था, ऐसे ट्रोल किया गया था, तो वो इस नौबत पे आ गया था कि सुसाइड करने के उस पे आ गया था। तो ऐसा कभी कभी ऐसा पाया जाता है।
बोला कि ये हैप्पीनेस है।
जी जी, मुझे लगा कि बात को
I want to add a point.
Hello.
Yeah, sure.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
Yes, ma'am. So what we are going to do is that Ashish ji, you get 20 seconds to wrap up your point, and then after that, Ms. Bajpai, you get your turn.
जी
Ashish ji, 20 seconds.
जी, तो मेरा सवाल आप लोगों से ये था कि क्या ऐसा कोई रूल्स या एक्शन लाया जाए सरकार से कि जो ये जो ट्रोल, गलत ट्रोल हो रहा है, सही ट्रोल तो ठीक है, मगर गलत ट्रोल होता है उस पे कुछ चेंज कर सके रूल्स में। जी, बोल सकते हैं आप मनस्वी जी।
मैं ऐसे
Ms. Bajpai, and then perhaps Shiv can come back. Yes, Ms. Bajpai.
Yeah. In my point of view, Manaswi has mentioned that the trollers are basically troll you because they like you. So in my point of view, if somebody likes you or admire you, they will not troll you. They are insecure of you. That's why they are trolling you. And the second point is that it's right that we can't take every troll as entertainment, because many trolls differ. Some trolls are personal attacks, some are on body, some are on our personal choices. So we can't entertain every troller. So
can I please correct myself there?
So
what I meant by liking,
the best way in my point of view is that if you see that because trollers are trolling you because they need your attention, that in the comment box when you read their comment, you become aggressive or you point out them and they receive so-called popularity amongst them. So that is the main motive.
Yeah, ma'am.
By liking, I would like to correct myself here. By liking, I meant one-sided liking.
All right.
That turns out into
Totally
trolling memes.
Okay.
I would also like to.
May I make a point, please?
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Just a point.
Yes.
मैं पहले बस एक चीज पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मेरा कौन सा ऐसा स्टेटमेंट था जिसने बोला था उनको ऐसा लगा था कि मैंने ट्रोल को वो क्या नाम ग्लोरीफाई किया, या फिर मैंने ये बोला कि ट्रोल बहुत अच्छी चीज है?
No, someone took it wrong. No one
मैंने ऐसा बोला कि ट्रोल बहुत अच्छी चीज है।
Yes. Rishabh ji, I understand there is a misunderstanding.
हम सभी लोगों को इस बात को समझना है कि जब भी हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन करते हैं तो ये बात कहीं भी नहीं आती है कि आप सही हैं या अगला इंसान सही है। हम सिर्फ अपने विचार व्यक्त करते हैं। जहां तक मनस्वी जी ने भी कहा था, जहां तक मैं समझ पाया, उन्होंने ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं कहा कि हम सिर्फ एक उसमें पॉजिटिव सेंस में ही करते हैं। उन्होंने सिर्फ एक ये दूसरा पहलू दिखाया कि हाँ, इसके नकारात्मक पहलू है तो एक ये सकारात्मक पहलू भी है। एंड ऐसा हुआ है हमारे देश में, आपने ऐसे बहुत से एग्जाम्पल देखे हैं। कई ऐसे लोग जो सिर्फ ट्रोलिंग की वजह से ही बहुत फेमस हुए हैं, आज हम लोग उन्हें जानते हैं। कई ऐसे लोग हैं जिन पे मीम्स बने, चाहे वो पाकिस्तान के किसी मैच के बाद स्टेडियम का व्यू हो, चाहे वो वहां के किसी एक बच्चे का व्यू हो जिसपे बहुत सारे मीम्स बने। आपने भी सुना होगा पीछे तो देखो। ऐसे बहुत सी चीजें हैं जिनको हमने छोटी छोटी चीजों को फिर ट्रोल किया और उस पे मीम्स बने, एंड आज वो लोग सेलिब्स हैं। तो हर चीज का एक सकारात्मक पहलू है और एक नेगेटिव पहलू भी है। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हमारे पास समय थोड़ा सा लिमिटेड है, तो कुछ लोगों के जो पॉइंट्स थे, जिन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे बोले, मैं उसके बारे में एक लाइन बोलना चाहूंगा। सबसे पहले कृति जी ने जिस तरह से, जिस अंदाज से अपनी बात को व्यक्त किया, उन्होंने इस बात पे जोर दिया कि इंसान अपनी कमियों को छुपाने के लिए इस मीडियम का यूज करता है, कि आपकी जो भी कमियां हैं, और आप जिस इंसान से मुंह पे बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप मुंह के सामने कुछ नहीं बोल सकते हैं, आप इस मीडियम का यूज करते हैं। तो मुझे ये बात सच में बहुत अच्छी लगी। उन्होंने बॉडीज के बारे में बात किया कि हम शरीर पे लेके, कलर पे लेके, इन सारी चीजों को लेके व्यक्तिगत टिप्पणी करते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही गलत है हमारे देश में, हमारे समाज में, इवन पूरे विश्व में। ऋषभ जी ने भी कहा कि ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया गया है इस पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए जिसपे हम बहुत ज्यादा यूज टू हो गए हैं, जिसको हम अक्सर करके आजकल कर रहे हैं, इसका उन्होंने जो सोल्यूशन बताया वो थोड़ा बहुत इस तरफ झुका हुआ था कि हमें इस पे बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्शन नहीं देना चाहिए था। मनस्वी जी ने अपने विचार एकदम स्पष्ट किए, जहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे लोग पब्लिसिटी करने के लिए भी बहुत जानबूझ के कुछ ऐसे काम करते हैं जिससे कल को उनकी पब्लिसिटी हो। आपने अभी कोविड के बीच में देखा होगा, एक भाई साहब उसकी चालीसा पढ़ के सुना रहे थे और उनको बड़ा ट्रोल किया गया, वो बहुत फेमस हो गए इसी वजह से। तो कई लोग इसको जानबूझ के करते हैं ताकि वो थोड़ी उनको पब्लिसिटी मिले, लैमलाइट मिले, जिस तरह से वो लोग इस काम को करते हैं। शिव जी ने भी बहुत ही सकारात्मक तरीके से अपनी बात को रखा और उन्होंने इस बात को भी स्पष्ट किया कि हमें इस प्लेटफॉर्म का यूज कभी भी किसी इंसान को नीचे दिखाने के लिए नहीं करना चाहिए। वाजपेयी जी ने रूल्स की भी बात की। आप सभी के ये कुछ एक पॉइंट्स थे जो कि बहुत ही सकारात्मक थे, जो कि बहुत पॉजिटिव थे, जिससे हमें सीखना चाहिए। मैं विभू से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आपके पास भी कोई टाइम है। बोलिए आप बोलिए।
How much time do we have left, Devansh, for this session?
Around 10 minutes, Priya.
Fine. So I guess we can continue more for 5 more minutes. I have a couple of observations that I feel like sharing with you guys. One is that we need cyber etiquettes as one of the part of the curriculum. Nowadays, every 10-year-old or a 7-year-old has a mobile phone and has a mobile phone in his hands, and he or she has access to each and every social media and can share anything that he or she wants. And we are perhaps making our youth grow with a very bad influence, a very powerful power of social media. And those children can hide behind no profile picture and can share anything, and they can hide their insecurities, or maybe children are dealing with some bad things in society and they are perhaps letting their frustration out. So cyber etiquette is something that should be, a central part of what our education should be around. And the second thing is that there is a commerce associated with cyberbullying and or trolling, as a matter of fact. There are certain meme pages or memers who deliberately share controversial memes so that they can add more traction to their pages. And whenever we'll have a commercial side to any aspect of society, we will always find it growing. So this thing has to be targeted at a very societal level. These are a couple of my observations.
Yeah, I totally agree with Vibhu, sir, and and I would like to add up a point
करना
over
चाहूंगा
here.
कि अभी आप में से अगर कोई भी ऐसा मेंबर है जिसने नहीं बोला है, आप अमूल्य समय दे रहे हैं, आशीष जी मेरे ख्याल से और कुछ लोग और हैं, सभी लोगों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने 1 या 2 पॉइंट जरूर दें। अगर आप हमारे
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Yeah, ma'am, we can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are audible.
Actually, I joined late, so I would like to make a few points. The topic is why do we troll? So according to me, I think we troll others because somewhat we have a deeply ingrained insecurity within ourselves, which suppose somebody is very successful or somebody has a lot to offer. So according to me, we cannot really stop them, can we? It's not in our power. So since we have access to social media, since we can
संगमित्रा जी आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है।
Am I audible now?
Ma'am, we'll request you to reconnect the microphone if possible. You can perhaps recheck the Bluetooth connection, or perhaps you can re-enter the jack.
Actually, sir, even your audio is not very clear to me. I think there is some network issue.
Okay. There must be a network disparity over here, I guess. And I would like to add a point over here.
आवाज थोड़ी क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी।
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Hello.
Yes,
I just want 1 minute to conclude, to come up with a solution point. What we can do with the trollers. So the first thing
please, ma'am.
I have seen in TED Talks that there are some apps which if we install in our mobile, when we message something wrong, they give us 2 minutes or thing like that to rethink of the test which we are posting. So if a person who are trolling got a second view over their words and see over their word and come to the conclusion if it hurts the person or not, it can help. It decreases the rate of trolling. And second point, if we have functions like where we can delete the negative comment, because when we see a video or photo, most of the people write down come directly on the comments. So if we have options like where we can delete the trolling or negative comments, so that it can't, the negativity do not spread to other people. So in that way, the trolling impact will decrease. And the third and last point is that if if we do not reply, most of the people, if it become extreme, they reply to the troller. And in my point of view, the trollers need that only, that they are saying such a type of word to make you aggressive, so that you can reply and they can see your limelight for their popularity. So these are the points which I think we can do so that the trolling thing can resolve in some way.
Very well said, ma'am. Thank you for your insights. A little look on the, perhaps on the solutions always gives any discussion a very holistic thing. Yes, Shiv. Let's conclude with Shiv and Devansh.
Sir, I would like to talk. Hello.
Yes, Shiv.
Hello. Shiv, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, बोलिए.
Okay. I would like to talk about most critical sect of the society, which are minors. Actually, the most affected people are the minors ones, because they had no one to share with, because they are much conserved when they see these types of trolls. So if I talk about other people, they can talk to others and share their views, so they might get some advice that do this, do that. But what about the minors? Minors couldn't share with the family, minors couldn't share with their friends, because they feel ashamed of this, that someone had said to me this, or someone has sent me this. So that should be the more a priority of us to give suggestions about how to deal with trolling, to avoid trolling, or perhaps not avoiding, or give advice for minors to deal with these trollings or bullying on the internet.
Very well said.
All right.
It's minors are something, minors and people with disabilities are traces of society which are often neglected. I believe that we have 5 more minutes.
विभू जी शायद आशीष जी बोलना चाह रहे हैं, ये पहली बार अभी बोलना चाह रहे हैं, तो आशीष जी अगर आपको आवाज आ रही है तो आप बोले.
आशीष जी, and then Devansh, please conclude the session then.
जी.
Yes, आशीष जी, please.
हेलो. मेरा थोड़ा सा ये सवाल भी था और मतलब कंक्लूजन भी था, क्योंकि हम जैसे ट्रोल की भी बात कर रहे थे सब लोग, तो ट्रोल करने का ये था कि कभी कुछ बड़े पर्सनालिटीज की ट्रोल होता है तो हाँ उस पे केस होता है या सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बात होती चलते हैं, मगर अगर कोई आम जनता करता है तो फिर उस पे वो ऐसे ही रह जाता है. तो सरकार को ऐसा कुछ चीजें लानी चाहिए या एक्शन रूल आना चाहिए कि हाँ जो आम जनता पे हो रहा है उस पे भी चेंजेस ला सकें, या कुछ ऐसा स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स लाए कि जैसे कि अभी हम नाम नहीं लेना चाहेंगे क्योंकि उसमें जैसे मोदी जी या किसी का भी अभी हुआ था तो उस पे हो गया था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये बैन कर दिया गया था उस ट्रॉल, या उसको पकड़ा गया। अब ऐसे कोई भी एक ऐसे नॉर्मल केस पे होता है तो उसको कुछ ऐसा नहीं किया जाता है। तो ऐसा कोई या तो एक्शन लाया जाए या कोई नया रूल्स लाया जाए जिससे आईटी सेक्टर से जो ये चीजें रोका जा सके आगे।
Point very well taken. If I can have the liberty of replying to Ashish ji, since I have a legal education background, considering what Ashish ji said is actually a reality. The contemporary case of Mr. Prashant Bhushan, contempt of court of Supreme Court, is a blatant example. But I disagree on the fact that we should need a law, black and white law for trolling. At the moment, legislature is booming with printed legislations, acts. Perhaps this is something where our moral, social fabric needs tweaking. Perhaps the next generation needs proper upbringing rather than we having laws, because we have already many lukewarm laws which are partially active. So last thing is that we need more laws. As a lawyer, that's my nuanced perspective. On this note, perhaps we can conclude session number 2. Thank you for joining. I request each and every participant that if they can leave the meeting and join once again for our third topic of discussion, I'll deeply appreciate your cooperation. Thank you for joining.